years. CABIT is actually a research company, a research ICT company, so all these years while working with solutions, we're close to market, we're close to understanding market needs and trying to address these needs. So Erasmus Plus, where we had a multidisciplinary team from different countries with specific market needs, it was a good challenge for us to be able to respond through technology to specific needs of people, not only for the end beneficiaries, where in this case are e-cargo bike riders, but also the needs of the trainers who needed specific tools, good tools, in order to implement the training activities. The apps, which is a discrete output of this project, is more of a necessity nowadays. It's not what we would ideally say a few years ago, an asset, an added value asset, but a luxury really, but something very a basic need nowadays. Everyone uses a mobile phone, they're all the time engaged with their mobile phones, so we found this medium as the best, as a very good way, at least let me say this, as a very good way to enable learners, to enable trainers to access the training material through the app for continuous training, and really have our learners engaged on very easy technology, that they can use at any time, anywhere. I think that's the purpose that the apps may very well serve and provide efficient training.
Hey, hi there, I'm Sarah Binns. I work for Accentuate in the United Kingdom, and I'm just going to tell you a little bit about our CABIT project and where the original idea came from. One of the people involved in Accentuate also had an interest in an e-cargo bike company based in Newcastle upon Tyne, and he found that they were recruiting people to become e-cargo bike riders, and that they really needed to have training because the e-cargo bike doesn't handle like an ordinary bicycle, and they also needed training on safety on the roads. So he came up with the germ of an idea for a European project, which we thought would be a really good idea, because as far as we could see, there was no other initial training for cargo bike riders across Europe. So that was really how the CABIT project came to be. We worked up the idea into creating a training module, or training modules rather, and to go with those we have a toolkit and we have a training manual to show you how to use the learning materials, and we will house those, or we are housing those, on the CABIT website, the learning platform, and we also have an app which we thought would be the best way for e-cargo bike riders to be able to access the materials.